In the last video, we discussed MS-DOS internal commands like CLS, date, time, version, volume, dir. Welcome to my video again. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a file, how to rename a file, how to delete a file, how to move a file, how to create a directory, how to get into the directory, how to change into the directory, how to remove a directory if possible. We will discuss some other commands too. Let us start the concept of DOS internal commands. We already know the procedure. How to start MS-DOS? Start MS-DOS. Automatically it is being showing that command prompts, or say command prompts, which is also showing the same CMD, which is also showing the same. So it displayed a black and white screen. To make it full screen, let us press Alt plus Enter key. Alt plus Enter key. Again the same Alt plus Enter key will restore the window. Alt plus Enter key, full screen. Alt plus Enter key, restore the window. Maximize and restore. So let us start. Already we know the command called dir. So here we have some name called Wasim is there. Okay, right. Raza is a file which is not there here. Okay, let me create. First of all, I want to step back. Then I want to step down. dir. Okay, CLS. First of all, clear screen. Now I would like to see. So I want to create a file. I want to create a file. So how to create a file? Let me discuss first in Notepad. Right, command is, okay, let us open the earlier one. Open, already we did in the last session, so we will continue. Okay, right. So command, let us say it is 7, copy space con. Okay, so this command is used to create a text file in MS-DOS. Right, so the syntax is copy space con space file name, then press the enter key. Okay, let me write in tagline, press the enter key. Now enter the content to the file. To terminate the file, press Control plus Z or F6. So this is the shortcut key. Right? See, the syntax is copy space con space file name, then press the enter key, enter the content to the file. To terminate the file, press Control plus Z or F6. Let us see, copy space con space. So there is no file called Wasim in that list. So let me create a file called Wasim. So I typed copy space con space Wasim. Now press enter key. Yes, enter. My name is Wasim Raza. Right. So it is not allowing us to create the files here. It is showing that access is denied. So I would like to move to E drive. Let us try. Copy space con space Wasim1. My name is Wasim Raza. Here you are being allowed, right? I am demonstrating DOS internal command copy con, right? I want to terminate this, then F6, then enter. Okay, I created a file called Wasim1. So I want to see whether it is there. Yes, we are able to see Wasim1 is here, which is created just now, 2015, right? Now I want to see the content of that file. Type space. So here I am discussing one more command called. Now next command is command. Let us say it's H type. Okay. So this command displays the content of an existing file, right? Syntax is type space file name. Let us see, right? Type space Wasim1. So this is the matter which we typed just before, right? So I want to copy this file. I want to copy this file. Okay. So let me go with command 9, which we have been speaking. Copy. Okay. So this command creates a duplicate copy of a file. Let us say syntax is copy source file name, then target file name, or I can say copy existing file name and new file name, whatever we can call, right? So both are same. Let us check here. Copy space Wasim1 to SUCF1. So one file is copied. Let us see the content of SUCF1, whether the file called Wasim1 is existed. Type Wasim1. Yes, both are existing. In terms of directory, I have the file called SUCF1 here and Wasim is here. Both are having same characters. Okay. So copy space. Now I want to make a copy of SUCF1 to SUCF2. It is also created. I want to create a copy of SUCF1 to F drive SUCF3. So in the F drive, I created a copy of SUCF1 as SUCF3. So let us see. F drive I shifted, rather than E I shifted to F. Now see the DIR. Here you can see SUCF3, right? DIR CLS. We get back to E drive. DIR is a command. So if I want to rename the file, rename the file. Okay. So I can write this syntax as copy. Sorry, here's some spell mistake. Sorry. Right. Copy existing file path and target file path and name. We can write the way we want to define it. Now I want to define another command called if I want to rename. If I want to rename, let us say command 10. So already we discussed the various versions of DA. That's why we have many number of commands, right? So REN, this command renames a file to new name. Okay, so syntax is REN existing file name, new file name. Let us see here. We have SUCF2. Okay, right. REN SUCF2. Then I am saying that SUCF5. Now I will go with to directory. So I don't have SUCF2 here. It is being renamed as SUCF5. Okay. See CLS REN SUCF5 to SSSS. Enter. DIR. Now you don't find SUCF5 here. A new file called SSSS is being created. So in this way our command called REN works, rename. So let us say command 11 del. If I want to delete a file, if I want to delete a file, so I use this command, means del command. This command deletes an existing file, right? Syntax simply del space file name. Let us see here. So we have SSSS and SUCF1 and Wasim1. Okay, so I want to delete del space SUCF1. I want to check whether it is existing. So in our older list we have SUCF1, but now I don't have SUCF1. Now I have SSSS. I want to delete. Right? Then DELSSSS. See beta. See all of you. Now SSSS is also being deleted. So in such a way we are going to delete a file. Now let us see. I have a file called Wasim1. Now I am going to implement another command 12. Sorry, 12 I am been speaking about move. This command moves an existing file from current path to a new path or new location. Move file name to path. This is the syntax. Okay, syntax is right. So let us see. I have Wasim1 here. Let us see in F drive is there a Wasim1 is available. No, here we don't have Wasim1. Okay, so I am going back to E drive, dir, right? So move Wasim1 to F:/1 file mode. Now see Here we don't have Wasim1 now. Here we don't have Wasim1. Now move to F drive. Check it out. Whether Wasim1 exists? Yes, Wasim1 exists. See the content. Type space Wasim1. Type space Wasim1. Content is same. So in this video we had discussed commands called, what the commands are? Copy, con, the first command we discussed. Okay, let me type in notepad too. Okay, in this video we discussed copy, con, then we had discussed type, we had discussed copy command, we had discussed move command, we have discussed rename command, we have discussed delete command. Okay, so rename, move, copy, con, right? So we had discussed 6 commands which are associated with the files concept in MS-DOS. So in the next video we are going to discuss about creation of a directory, changing into a directory, deleting a directory, how to organize the directories, how to create the subdirectories. So wait for the next video. If you are watching this video, this YouTube channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and like this video and click on bell icon button to get notified about upcoming videos. Thank you.